Okay, we're gonna make a cover that looks kind of like this for your book. And that starts with a piece of cardboard that is 9 inches wide, 5 1/4 tall. And then we're gonna make cuts here, come in 4 1/8 from each end and cut out this 3/4 inch strip in the center. And that will leave you with this. So if you're doing a horizontal book, your cover is going to be these dimensions on a 11 inch wide by 4 1/4 tall piece of cardboard. And your papers, one's going to be 6 by 14, and the two insert papers are 4 by 10 inches. Good luck. Next, you're going to need a piece of 8 by 12 inch paper. That's going to be the cover paper. We're going to lay all 3 of these shapes on that piece of paper, kind of center them up, and then we're going to spread the 2 covers out a little bit. And we're spreading them out about the thickness of a piece of cardboard. Make sure everything looks kind of even. And then we're just going to trace around the first one. And then the center piece. Again, we want to space it out. And finally, the other cover. You want to make sure you keep everything kind of in alignment here. Okay. Then we're going to trim the corners off. And we make relatively a 45-degree angle. What you want to do is make sure you come back about 1/4 inch from the corner. You don't want to put it all the way up to the edge of that corner, or when we fold this over to make the cover, the cardboard corner will stick out. So we want to be able to cover that completely. So we come back about 1/4, keep it at about 45 more or less, and then we're just gonna cut those off. Okay, now we can glue our pieces right to the cover. And we want to cover the whole surface of the cardboard really with a nice complete coat, corner to corner, edge to edge.
Okay, now we're going to fold these flaps up.
Now we take one of our 5x8 pieces of paper. Kind of get this edge right up in that groove, and then even the spacing on the top and bottom. Same thing on the other side. That corner right up with the corner of the book.